Hey everybody, today on Henry's HowTos, I'm going to show you how to make Indian chicken Seekh Kebab. Let's get straight into it. I'm going to be doing this recipe based on 1 kilo of chicken mince. Now I'm using thigh mince here. It is important to use thigh because it's more fatty than the breast. If you're going to use breast mince, it's going to come out very dry. Not only that, it's going to be harder to actually skewer. So we've got 1 kilo there. The first thing I'm going to add is 3 crushed garlic cloves. To this I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of crushed ginger, half a teaspoon of ground chilli. You can add more if you want it to be extra spicy. Half a tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. You can use regular paprika, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of turmeric, and we're going to finish this off with about 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. So all we want to do now is give this all a good mix, and we want everything combined well. You can throw this into a mixer if you like, but it is easy, just do it by hand, don't create a mess. And it's already starting to smell nice. Okay, once that's well mixed, just bring it back together like so. So now I've just covered it with some cling wrap. We're going to place this straight into the fridge, leave it for about 2 hours, let all those flavors develop, and then we can get cooking. Okay, so it's been 2 hours now, so I've just taken our mince out. Now the reason we chill the mince, it's very important that it's cold when you skewer it. If it's warm, it is going to fall off, so keep that in mind. Now what I've got here is a bowl of some warm water, and just here I've got my skewers. So I'm just using my long metal skewers like so, which I use for my kubi there. Now if you don't have that option available, you can just mold these in your hand into small shapes and fry them, put them on a flat grill, whatever you like. So to skewer, we're going to get our hand straight into the warm water, then into our chicken. We want to grab just a bit less than a handful. So, just about that much, about the size of a tennis ball. And just in our bowl, we just want to rub it against the rim and turn it into a round shape. Then in our hand, into an oval shape. Just like so. Now we'll get our skewer. We want to place it straight in like that, so the center of it goes on. Then start to push it onto the skewer from the top. Wet your hand again, flip your skewer over, push down again. Wet your hand again, flip your skewer over, once again. Now you'll notice I'm pushing down very hard. That's what makes it stick. Now any excess like that, we'll just take off with 2 fingers like that. And that almost creates a seal as well, so it's not going to fall off. And just at the top, push down as well. And there we have it. That's not going to fall off. And we'll set that to the side. I'll just show you again. So about a tennis ball, then into a cylinder shape. Get your skewer. Push it straight on. Flip it over, wet your hand, push. It's my thumb doing all the work. Flip it over, and one more time. Take the excess off, and same with the top, make sure it's nice and locked in. And there we have it. So you just want to continue doing that. Now this does take a lot of practice, so if it keeps falling, keep on trying, don't give up. It took me a long time to learn as well. Okay guys, so that's all our skewers there. So what we're going to do is put these into the fridge, and then we'll preheat our grill. Once the grill's ready, we'll go ahead and cook these. So I've just been cooking the skewers on my manga, which is an open fire grill. Not only is this the healthiest way to cook, it's also the best tasting because you have all that flavour of smoke in there. Now usually it takes only about 2 or 3 minutes on this. Alternatively, like I said, you can fry these in a pan or bake them in the oven, but you won't have the same flavour. So guys, once you start to get this golden brown colour on it, it's ready. Don't overcook it. So we'll put that to the side. Same with this one. Same with that. And all of them. So set them all to the side and let them rest. And to go ahead and take them off the skewer, push down from the top. And from the bottom, push all the way off like that. Once again, push down from the top. From the bottom, push all the way up. And just look at how beautiful they look. Now they can be perfect served on its own, with rice, with bread, with salad, whatever you like. Personally, I prefer them on their own. That's how you get all the flavour. I hope you like that, guys. Please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Snapchat, Instagram and Facebook. If you got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.